Hello everyone, my name is Kyle. I'm a very new member to Super Hair Pieces. I just want to talk to you about my thoughts towards hair systems coming from the standpoint of a very active person. I'm in the gym nearly every single day. I would train football, soccer for Americans out there. And I was very concerned about running on the pitch and the hair flying off or whatever. But I'm actually very surprised. The absolutely no problems whatsoever. I'm not sure what the stylist used to stick on the hair system when I first got it, but I've done it myself twice now, and I've used Walker Superhold glue and Walker tape, and I have absolutely no issues. I'm fully sweating in the gym, fully sweating on the pitch, and I have no concern. I've kind of gotten to the stage where I kind of forget that it's not my hair, and just kind of feels natural, you know. Like sometimes, like when I get towards like the last 2 weeks, or like 2 weeks is probably the max that I can use for hairs, my glue being so active. But when it gets to like the end of that 2 weeks, I would notice in the morning sometimes that maybe the hairline at the front be raising a small bit. Well, that's just when you know it's time to take it off and just re-glue it, you know. But very surprised when it comes to sweating and not coming off, no concern. I play in Ireland and it's very rainy and very windy, and yeah, no concern whatsoever. I think I'll be wearing a hair system for a while. Should probably get it cut, it's a bit long, but it is what it is.